Okay, here's a question on transformation matrices. This is a Further Maths GCSE question, which is a level 2 qualification. And pretty standard question. We've got transformation matrix maps P onto P to Q. And then we've got another one that maps Q onto R. Now we're told the point R is minus 4, 3. So we need to go back to find what the point Q is, and then to go back to find what the point P is. So if we work backwards, if we start with the transformation matrix that maps Q onto R, then we have the x and y coordinates of Q. That gives us the value of minus 4, 3, 4, R. So when we're trying to figure out this out, the top pair, let's actually use some colours here, the top pair, 0 and 1 times by x and y gives us minus 4. So 1 times x plus 0 times y equals minus 4. So that's really just x is equal to minus 4. So that's telling us our top value is minus 4. And on the bottom bit we've got 0 times the x, so the 0 is coming up times by the x, and the minus 1 is times by the y. So 0 lots of x plus minus 1 lots of y equals 3. So that's telling us that minus y equals 3, so y equals 3. So the point Q is equal to minus 4. I made a mistake there. That should be minus 3. Because minus y is 3, so y is minus 3. So that's got us back to the point Q, and then we need to go back to the point P, because what we're trying to find. So this matrix, 0, minus 1, minus 1, 0, maps the point P onto the point Q, which we just worked out to be minus 4, minus 3. So we take this top pair again, let's put this pair here, and we times that by x and y, so 0 times the x, 0 times x plus minus 1 times y equals minus 4. So the 0x means that's gone, and we just got minus 1 lot of y, so minus y equals minus 4, so y equals 4. And then the bottom pair, minus 1, 0, minus 1 times x, 0 times y, so we got minus 1 lot of x plus 0 lots of y equals minus 3. So that's minus x equals minus 3, so x equals 3. So we finish that off. Our answer is x equals 3, y equals 4. So it should have been 3, 4 is the point P. Okay, there is a special case to this. If you wrote P as being 3, 4 as a vector, you would get 4 out of 5 marks, just because you haven't changed it back to a coordinate, even though there's a coordinate line for you to write it on. And if you got to the minus 4, minus 3, that would be 2 marks. And if you got sort of this sort of thing written out, that would be 1 mark, an extra 2 marks, and then 1 for the answer to get 5 marks.